Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 70 divided by 1 over 7 times 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 70 divided by 1 over 7. Here we use a KCF rule. According to the KCF rule, 70 divided by 1 over 7 can be written as 70 times just 7, and we have here times 7. No, 70 times 7 gives us 490, and here we have times 7. And this is equal to 7 times 0 gives us 0. 7 times 9 gives us 63, 3, 6. And 7 times 4 gives us 28. 28 plus 6 equals 34. So our final answer to this problem is just 3430.